Well, hello there participants and welcome to the Kwangshen K58 Transparent Free Giveaway Prize Draw. We got the tickets, everybody's picked their numbers. There were 6 participants in total. And just before I do the draw, I'll just explain the reason I get rid of this beautiful transparent Kwangshen is it's not compatible with the mics I've got. So therefore I'd have to spend more money to use the compatible microphones on it, and I don't want to spend any more money on radios and microphones at the moment, so hence that's why we're giving it away, because I'd have to spend more money on it to use it technically. So it's yeah, it's a free giveaway, free postage, and there's going to be one winner obviously out of the 6 tickets in this bowl. We're going to do it by process of elimination. So we're going to pour one out at a time, and then give it a shake, and then another one until the last one remains, and the last one that remains is the winner. So yeah, let's get to it. First of all, I'll just show you them. 6 participants. It's going to get them all together a bit nimble. There you go. So we'll unfold those one by one, put them back in. Right, let's just give a quick mix. Okay, and in 6th place is let's get there now, this is pretty fiddly. 6th place is, there you go. Get some focus, there we are. Unfortunately, Kevin, you were 6. Bad luck, mate. And W3IQE from Mountain Ash, otherwise known as Kevin Dundry Mountain. And he picked number 18, luck. Bad luck, mate. Okay, so on to 5th place now. I'll just a bit of a rumble round. And 5th place is and there's 5th place for Stuart. There you go. My mate Stuart from the Isle of Wight, you were 5th. Bad luck, buddy. You picked number 5. So there we go. It's getting interesting now. Okay, 4th place. Do another spin. 4th place is some of these are more tucked than others. Don't want to rip it, see. There we go, right, here we go. And 4th place is John, Bridge Farm, Whitchurch. There we go, bad luck, mate. You did well to get 4th, and you picked number 3. There we go. Oh, who's going to win? We've already eliminated half of the participants. Okay, 3rd place coming up. Okay, 3rd place. Third place is Derek Clive, M7DR from Whitchurch. Good old Derek. 3rd place, not bad, mate. You did 3rd. That's pretty good, like, for a free prize draw. And you picked number 50. There you go, Derek, 3rd place. Okay, we've got 2 left. Spin them round. Okay, the runner-up in 2nd place is, oh, this is a really, yeah, even I'm a little bit excited. Where we go? Who's 2nd? Once we know the 2nd one, we know the winner. 2nd place is John. No, Bristol. That's Jonathan, that is. That's why it says John no handle. Bad luck, buddy. You almost won it, John. You picked number 24. So we know who the winner is, and so does the winner. With only the one remaining, we're going to get straight to it. Okay, so you know the winner knows who he is, but we're going to display it to the others to show that this was a complete fair draw, no rigging. And the winner is... Yay! Mark, Mike Whiskey 6 Charlie Tango Echo, Cardiff. You picked number 1. That's crazy, isn't it? You picked number 1 and you were first as well. So well done to you, Mark Sunderland from Ely in Cardiff. You have won this beautiful Baofeng, Kwangshen K58 transparent. That'll be on its way to you in the next few days there, bud. Enjoy it. Yeah, it's a lovely radio. Just don't need it myself, as I said, and I'd have had to spend more money than the postage to carry on using it. So you enjoy that, mate, and I hope everybody that participated enjoyed the draw. So yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for participating all, and well done to Mark from Cardiff, the hotspot man. Well done. I didn't think it would be you, but you did it. So yeah, thanks for watching and cheers. Catch you soon. Get in, Mark.